Are you thinking about your next holiday destination? Let me introduce you to the Algarve in Portugal. Let me start by breaking down the Algarve into three sections and starting with the eastern Algarve. Let me start about the Rio Formosa and saying, going along the coastline, you start off with Olhão, great fishing place, go for food there, all the fish comes into Olhão. You've got Fuzeta, a small little fishing village. Then you've got Santa Lucia, famous for octopus. Then you've got the beautiful town of Tavira, and on the other side of Tavira, you've got Cabanas Tavira. And then the next stop, you're on the border of Spain. What makes the Eastern Algarve different to anywhere else in the Algarve is the fact that it's actually low density, low rise and quite flat. So you haven't got cliffs or anything like that. You've got beautiful sandy beaches, you've got peninsulas and you've got islands you can get the ferry boats out to. The Central Algarve, Faro for example, the international airport that gets you here. Faro is a city, lots of residential there, but a city you must go and visit because it's got the old quarter, well worth a visit. Next to that, we come along to the Quinta do Lago. We've got the Val de Lobos and we've got the Vila Mouras. That's where we go celebrity spotting. And Vila Moura has a fantastic marina and you can walk around that marina and enjoy all the boats and everything that goes on there. It stretches over to Albufeira. Albufeira is a bustling, busy place. If you like nightlife, Albufeira is a place to go. It goes to Lagoa, Guia famous for chicken piri-piri. You must try that. So that tells you more about the Central Algarve. And the Western Algarve, starting from Carbuero all the way down to Sagres and Lagos in between. That's where the golden cliffs come in. All along this coastline you have amazing secluded beaches, some of them you can't even get to on foot, you go in by boat. Lagos, very popular, great place to holiday. And Sagres, go down right to the end and you've got all the western coast for surfing. Activities in the Algarve. Let me start with golf. If you like golf, there's over 34 golf courses all across the Algarve. In the Eastern Algarve, one of my favourites is Quintacima, right on the coastline. Beautiful golf course, beautiful scenic pictures. You've got Monterey, that's one of the best golf courses in Portugal. And then you've got Castellmarín on the border of Spain. There's numerous golf courses on the eastern side. Then we come into the central side, and then we've got the Quinta do Lagos north and south. We've got Val de Lobo, and we've got San Lorenzo. The list is endless, and Vila Moura has 3 or 4 golf courses as well. We also have Victoria. That's where the Portugal Masters golf is played every single year. So the Central Algarve has lots of golf. In the Western Algarve, we have courses like Amendoeira. Amendoeira is 2 18-hole courses designed by Sir Nick Faldo and Christy O'Connor Jr. You've also got Silves, there's several golf courses at Silves. We have in Carveira the Pestana group. We also have Palmeiras near Lagos. That consists of 2 9-holes. One is a links course on the sea and the other 2 are inland but spectacular views. And there's also Espiche and there's Boa Vista on the other side of Lagos. So the Algarve offers amazing golf. Let's go inland. Activities inland, if you like biking, walking, trekking, safaris, buggies, the list is endless. There's so much you can do. All across the Algarve, there's one road called the Ecovira. You can walk it, but you can also bike on it. And that's sometimes not even any cars on it. So that's called the Ecovira. And if you're into mountain biking, that is a must. You can go from one end to the other. And while you're inland, you can go up to the beautiful resort of Monchique, where you've got great views down to the whole of the Algarve, and you've got the most amazing water. Before I take you to the ocean, let's just stay inland for a second and give you an idea. You can do things like skydiving, that's in Alvor. You can also go and do hot air ballooning, and you can also go up to the racetrack in Portimao. That is an adrenaline buzz. If you like wheels, big boys toys, go there. Try the go-karting out, but try the main track where you can hire for 3 laps one of the top Porsches, BMWs, Mercedes cars. Go around with the instructor on one lap and go around on your own. Now to the coastal side with those fabulous beaches and coves. You can get a boat out and go in and out of all the coves. You can go out dolphin watching, and I've done it, and it is amazing, and you do see dolphins. You can go paddle boarding, you can go out kayaking. There's so many water sports here, you'll be amazed at what you can do. Just go to one of the marinas, whether it's Lagos, whether it's Villamora, or whether it's Albufeira, and take one of the boat trips out and see what you can do. Another thing we cannot forget when talking about things to experience in the Algarve is its gastronomy. You can find freshly caught fish every morning in one of many fish markets right next to the port. And of course, wine. Portugal offers some of the world's best wine, and also the Algarve region is becoming an important wine producer. You can visit one of many vineyards and have a wine tasting experience. Where does Ideal Homes Rentals come into this whole story? Well, we have got properties all across the Algarve, east, central, west, that you can rent for your summer or winter vacation. Check out our YouTube channel, where I've already toured many of our properties, so you can see exactly what to expect. Or even go over to our website, where you can find many, many more. Whether it's a villa, whether it's an apartment, whether it's a townhouse, we have got properties that will suit everybody. Whether it's inland, on the coast, wherever it is in the Algarve, we have properties right across here. Not only do we have hundreds of properties all across the Algarve, we offer a service second to none. Each property comes with its own property manager. They will introduce you to the property, introduce you to the area. What are you waiting for? Contact us, idealhomesrentals.com. Put in your dates, the price will come up, and you can give our office a call 7 days a week, 10 AM to 6 PM. The team will be waiting to help you book your holiday here in the Algarve. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, feel free to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. And also, whether you are in Portugal or abroad, me and all the Ideal Homes team wish you a Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. See you soon.